Hello, beautiful people. Happy New Year to all of you. Hope all is well with everyone. Sorry for not posting much as life gets too busy. Just an update of my life. I am blessed of a 5-month-old baby boy now. One of the reason I was not active with my YouTube channel. I am currently on maternity leave, so we'll have more time to make videos hopefully. Great news of my permanent residency visa. I finally got it last year in July. I lodged my permanent residency visa application last 5th in July 2024 and got approved on the 13th in July. It was pretty straightforward. I paid $240 NZD under permanent resident visa. Based on partnership, upon checking now, the Immigration New Zealand increased the fee to $315 NZD. You can check all the information on the Immigration NZ website. The requirements I submitted for my permanent residency visa application are: number 1, completed the 2 years requirement of holding my residency visa by staying in New Zealand. Number 2, updated my RealMe account. Must be verified your passport and home address. Number 3, updated passport photo. Number 4, passport data page details. Number 5, complied the section 49A1 COVID-19 condition by submitting my COVID vaccination certificates. That's all. Wishing you all the best of your visa application. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I will try my best to answer as soon as I can.